How to download and install Temu shopping app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download and install Temu shopping application, firstly, make sure you are logged into a proper working internet connection. Now go ahead and open the App Store and in the search bar search for Temu. In the search results, tap on the first option you see there. You will see the install button, so go ahead and install the Temu application. Temu is an online shopping mega store that offers just about any product you can imagine. You can buy car accessories, clothing, electronics, outdoor furniture, power tools, baby clothes, and everything in between. Once downloaded, open the application and with this, you have successfully installed Temu on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.